Hello, welcome. In this lesson is all about event loop. Welcome to this module on advanced JavaScript where we'll dive into one of the core concepts of the language, the event loop. Understanding the event loop is crucial for mastering asynchronous program in JavaScript. In this lesson, we'll explore what event loop is, how it works, and why it matters. What is event loop? The event loop is a fundamental part of JavaScript concurrency model. It's responsible for handling asynchronous event and callbacks, allowing JavaScript to execute non-blocking operation even though it's single-threaded. The call stack. To understand the event loop, we first need to understand the call stack. The call stack is a data structure that keeps track of function calls in a program. When a function invoked, it added to the call stack, and when it returns, it removed the stack. Web API and callback queue. JavaScript interacts with web APIs like DOM, set timeouts, and HTTP requests to handle asynchronous operation. When these operations complete, their callbacks are placed in the callback queue waiting to be executed. The event loop in action. Here's how event loop works. It continues check call stack to see if it's empty. If the call stack is empty, the event loop takes the first callback from the callback queue and push it on the call stack, effectively executing it. Visualizing the event loop. Let's visualize the event loop with an example. Imagine you have a function that makes an HTTP request using fetch while waiting for response. JavaScript can continue execute the other code. Once the response is received, it callbacks is placed and the callback queue and eventually execute the event loop. Microtask and microtask. JavaScript has two types of tasks, macrotask and microtask. Macrotask is include set timeout and set interval, while microtask includes promises, mutation, observers. Microtasks are prioritized and execute before macrotasks, which can affect the order of execution. Let's look at a practical example to see the event loop in action. We'll write some code that use set timeout, promises, and immediate function to observe the order of execution. This will help to solidify your understanding of event loop. To recap, the event loop is essential to handling asynchronous operation in JavaScript. By understanding how the call stack, callback queue, and task prioritization work, you can write more efficient and non-blocking code. Keep practicing with example to deepen your understanding. See you guys in my next lesson.